مرحبا، كيف حالكم اليوم؟ Today we will learn and continue about المدرسة, school, and we will learn new words and new topic about المدرسة. So we just want to take a look about all these places and we want to think these places all were. So this one, I think it's canteen, so it's in school. Soft class in school, playground in school, and this is the school. So all this is places in the school. So today we will learn about these places inside the school. في المدرسة. في المدرسة. So our target today to recognize the new words and يميز الطالب المفردات الأماكن في المدرسة. This is new words about places in the school. Second, to create new sentence using this word. To create new sentence using these words. So we have مقصف, مقصف, مقصف. Canteen, مقصف. Here we have class, صف, صف. مدرسة, مدرسة, school. And here مسبح, مسبح. So, مقصف, صف, مدرسة, مسبح. This is all places inside the school. And ملعب, ملعب. Here we have like conversation. مرحبا, كيف حالك؟ بخير شكرا. ماذا ترى بالصورة؟ ماذا ترى في الصورة؟ What you can see in the picture. أنا أرى مدرسة. أنا أرى مقصف. أنا أرى صف. أنا أرى مسبح. All these places you can see. أين تذهب? You can say أنا أذهب إلى المدرسة. أين تذهب؟ أنا أذهب إلى المدرسة. So here like conversation, here is the question and here is the answers for the question. You can make like this conversation and post it on Seesaw with anyone of your family or a friend. So this is the new word that we learn. مقصف, صف, مدرسة, مسبح, ملعب. We can use this new words in sentence. أنا أحب المدرسة. This full sentence. أنا أحب المدرسة. أنا في الصف. أنا في الصف. So we start use these words in sentence, and also you can create sentence and write sentence with the new words and post it on Seesaw. Enjoy your learning. Go to your slide and check your activity. مع السلامة.